Hello everyone. So in this video, we will be looking into an example of method overloading. So I have already explained what is method overloading in my part 2 video of chapter number 3. You can go and watch out that video first so that you can know that what method overloading actually is. So I will give a simple overview of it, that whenever a method having same name exist more than once in a program, then that is called method overloading. But in that case, we should be having different parameters or parameter list in our program. So now the question is, design a class to overload methods area as follows. So we have to create a class in which we have multiple method of name area as per this given criteria. So first criteria is it should have one parameter list which is int s, which calculates and return the area of square. And next method we have is area with parameter list as int l and int b, which is used to calculate and return area of rectangle. So in first method we have to perform operation and return area of square. Please do remember that return is present in the question. Therefore, we have to make use of return statement to find the answer of area of square. Similarly, in second method, we have to return area of rectangle, where we will be taking values of L and B in main method. So what we will do is, we will create one class in which there is one method area like public int area, which is having parameter list as int s. Now what we have to do? We have to just calculate area of square. Now what is this s? S is the value of side that square has. And we know that area can be calculated with the formula a equals to s square. So s square is simply s multiplied by s. So now we have the area of square in variable a. This a variable will be declared inside a class above this method, and it is given that we have to return the area of square. So I will write return area of square. So area of square is stored in this variable a. So I will simply return a. Now we have to create second method. So second method is public int area, and inside the parenthesis we have int l and int b. int l will have the value of length of rectangle and int b will have breadth of the rectangle. Now we will use same variable to perform the operation of area of rectangle. So a equals to l into b, and we have to return the value of area of rectangle. Now the area of rectangle is stored in a variable, so I will simply return the value of a. So this is the main logic of the program, where we have created two methods of same name but different parameter list. So this type of concept is called method overloading. Now I will execute this in BlueJ and show you that only one method will be called depending upon the number of parameters that are called during the method calling statement. So now let's go to the BlueJ. So this is the program that I have created. Here you can see I have created an object OL which is used to call the methods present in the class. I have also created one more variable AR, which will be used to catch the value which the method will return once it is executed. So initially I have called the area which is having parameter list of just one number. So when we pass this int number of single parameter, then this will call this method and execute the statements written inside it. Once I execute this, 5 will be passed here, s value will become 5. Here 5 into 5 will be calculated, which is 25, will be stored in A. Value of A will be returned by this method, and here AR will have the value that is returned from this method. So now AR will have here value of 25 and it will print that area is 25. Now let's see the output of this. So you can see here we got the value as 25. If I pass two parameters while calling the method, then this will call this method and it will calculate the area of rectangle. Now let's take value as 8 and 10. So this will call this method, calculate L into B as 80. It will store in A and it will be returned, and here AR will have the value of 80 and it will print the value as 80 over here. So you can see that area is 80. We can even call both the methods together, like AR equals to OL dot area of 7, and simply we will again print the value of AR. So this will execute both the methods which are present in the class, and it will give us the value as per the number entered in the parameters. So according to this, we will get two values as the output, area equals to 80 and area equals to 49. Let's see the output. So we can see that area equals to 80 and area equals to 49. Both are executed and we got the result. So this is the example of method overloading. It is not like we always have to use int variables in the parameters. We can even use double, character, string parameters. So method overloading can be achieved with different data types and different list of parameters. And so intl, if there is a parameter and we have another parameter in another method as double d, then intl and double d would behave differently, and both the methods will be called depending upon what kind of value we are giving in the parameter while calling the methods. So this was all about method overloading example 1. I will be covering one more example in next video, so please do subscribe to my channel. If you have any query related to this program, then you can ask your query in comment section, and if you have any questions that you want me to solve and provide you the solution, then please do send your questions on my mail ID. I will try to make a video on it. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one.